Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, let me show you what we're going to do. We work here on a BMW guys 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013 and we will show you how to remove or how to remove and replace instrument cluster on BMW 3 Series guys. That should cover 2005 to 2013 model. Okay, this is the instrument cluster right here and we'll show you what needs to be done. Now we have a special video that explains the whole procedure, how to replace it with a used one, what you need to know about and all that stuff. It will be on the channel and we will have one for programming as well. So check it out, but however this video will be the mechanical part of it, how to remove it. So in the meantime guys, probably we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Videos will come coming in, so all the time we'll be uploading videos, so please subscribe, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for you. So let us show you what needs to be done now. Okay, first thing, bring your steering wheel down and extend it all the way, like that. Lock it in place now. Next, okay, we're going to need a T10. Okay, let me focus here to show you. Tungsten socket. Okay, like this one, small one. Then we have 2 screws, okay, that we need to remove. One here. Okay, to go the other way actually. Okay, and one over there. I'll get them loose and I think I will be able to turn them by hand in a little bit. Okay, let's see now if I can turn them by hand. Okay, one is out. That's what the screw looks like. Okay, and one more now. Perfect. This is the second one. Now, how you guys remove that thing? Okay, you grab it on top. Okay, you pull it down. Okay, check it out, like that. Now you need to bring that side like that, turn it. Now we need to disconnect that cable. Now this cable right here, we need to press that part in the middle. Okay, you can see like a tooth. Press it in. Okay, the cluster is moving. And once you press it in, push that round thing around all the way until it clicks flat and it will kick the wire out. After that, get the wire out of the holder here. Next, you need to get the cluster in all the way as well. Almost all the way. Okay. Let me see how exactly. Okay, flip it like that. And you pull it out. And this is guys the instrument cluster out of a BMW 3 Series. E90, 92, 93, 91 guys. So you can see not very complicated procedure at all. Installation is in reverse order with 2 gear parts. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.